everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 6th to the 10th of April 2026 on Monday. Kunzi faces double trouble when his appeal is denied while Nkazimulo moves in on his throne and Trailblazers stage a hard-hitting Good Friday play on Tuesday. KKC Youth Service calls a spade Mbatha, and Babekazi's celebration takes an unexpected turn. A line is drawn in the sand between Mondli and Ulili on Wednesday. Nkazimulo pushes Umbalenhle for betraying him. Nyawo tried to reach out to Lili, but it backfires. Ladlamini and the delegation are impressed by Mbatha's programs in KwaMashu on Thursday. Madongwe is worried about Lili's state of mind. Mbatha uses his charm to get his way, and Mbalenhle walks on eggshells around Nkazimulo on Friday. Unfortunately, on Friday there is no teasers. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.